Hello mate. Well, that's your rivets ground off, and this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, one side always shrinks where the pressure goes on the most, so it squashes one and the bigger ones end up breaking up. Yeah, that's what these are about, because basically what you have is this. You shouldn't have that. It's like your crush driving your rear wheel, you know, which by the way on your bike's a bit like that as well. We'll look into that. But yeah, the only place you can get these is Yambits, and those are 25 quid to sort them. That's the rivets and the rubbers. I don't know if I've billed you for that already. I'll have to look back through the paperwork, or you'll have to tell me, I can't remember. But John got these in. I think he ordered a couple of sets because we do use them quite a bit. So I'm going to replace these, yeah, the rubbers, put the rivets in, and yeah, you'll see what it looks like with the new rubbers in. But you can imagine, they'll fill up them spaces. Yeah, that's how much they've shrank by over the years. Cracking on, dilly dilly.